Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a power hour. If you don't know what a power hour means, I will explain it a little. So you usually make a to-do list of all the things that you want to get done and you try to accomplish it all in 1 hour. You can set a timer on your phone or your oven, wherever you want basically. I love doing these power hours because for me it's like a challenge and I like to challenge myself when I'm cleaning to make it a little bit more fun. So as you just saw, I wrote my to-do list and now I'm starting in our bedroom by making our bed. I'll always try to make our bed because I feel it makes me more productive and it makes the whole room more put together. And if you are new here, welcome, my name is Sarah and I make cleaning videos here on my channel. My goal here is to motivate you to clean and most importantly, I want to build a community where we can motivate and inspire each other. So if you are interested in these types of videos, please consider subscribing, I would love to have you here. Now I'm moving into the kitchen and I'm starting by putting away all the clean dishes and collecting all the dirty ones from the counters so I can wash them.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
When I'm filming power hours, I usually clean the kitchen first because for most of the time it takes the longest to clean, so I like to get that out of the way first so I can move on to the smaller tasks that I want to accomplish.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Moving on to the stovetop. For me, cleaning the stovetop is the most satisfying thing to clean in the kitchen besides scrubbing the sink, which I will do after I clean the counters.
I just wanna give you all my night, but you are not here, my lover. Only got the constellation of stars, dancing with the clouds, just messing around. I try to imagine what tomorrow hides, if we will be here together, if we will continue writing lines of the story we just started to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again. matters every day to my life. It doesn't matter everything I've got. If I'm alone, it ain't worth nothing. I just remember meeting you at Bangkok, and the story we just started to write. The pages in my bed, I'm waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again to write the pages in my bed. I'm waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again.
And now I'm moving into the living room where I will do the usual, which is cleaning the coffee table and dusting the TV stand. I also want to apologize for the terrible lighting, but it was getting dark outside and we have these terrible yellow lights. I really prefer filming when there is plenty of natural light coming in, but the winter is coming and it's getting darker earlier, so I would definitely need to switch those lights before that happens so I can film more of my evening cleanings.
Chased a million roads to be miles from your heart, but they always led me back to you. You always find a way to win me back again. Will I receive you?
My next task is folding this big pile of laundry. Folding laundry is probably my least favorite task. I don't mind washing it or hanging it outside, but I would love if I could skip the folding part.
Will I receive you or push you away for good? For good. Will I receive you or push you away for good? You always find a way to win me back again. Will I receive you or push you away for good? Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me.
The last thing I will do today is cleaning the bathroom. I will just clean the sink and the toilet. I try to do that every other day because I think it's really important to keep those two clean.
trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Now I have 5 minutes left, so I will sweep and mop the floor here. For mopping, I just use some dish soap and hot water.
So I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh.
That is everything for today's Power Hour. I'm so happy that I managed to do everything on my to-do list, and I hope you did too. And even if you didn't, that is okay, because tomorrow is another day to get it all done. If you want to continue, I have my cleaning playlist in the description below if you want some more cleaning motivation. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!